Alright, welcome YouTubers. This is an unboxing and product review of the Milwaukee M12 2457 3/8 inch ratchet wrench. It's an impact wrench, and this is the non-fuel version, so it is not brushless. So this is the Gen 1 version of it, and it comes with a 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch. This is the 3/8 inch version. What's great about this particular kit is this packout box that it comes in. It's heavy plastic, it's durable, it's got these tabs that are nice and thick to hook onto a bag or another packout box. It has a latch here that's used to hook into the bottom part of another packout box. These are nice, strong aluminum and lightweight metal clips, and on both sides, the cover stands up horizontally, as well as it goes all the way down. And using this latch, you can insert it into another bottom box, and then it sits nicely on top of the bottom box. So you just take it up and then insert it from right to left, and it locks in place through those tabs that are up on plastic. By the way, the lid also falls down. I have it in the upright position. So this is the ratchet. It's nice and heavy. It has this lock feature and a trigger. Looks like an air ratchet, or it's designed after an air ratchet, but this is perfect for a mechanic. It comes with a charger for M12 lithium batteries, and this particular model comes with the 1.5 amp hour lithium battery. This is just a plastic case, although I will say it doesn't work very well. I may just remove it and find some other way to put this tool and other tools inside it. But overall, the case is awesome, and this tool is awesome. It does come with a 1/4 inch adapter, so if you need to use it on a 1/4 inch socket, you can use it with this adapter, and it's nice and well built, nice and heavy metal, the 1/4 adapter. There is some oil residue on here, and I think that from the factory, that's just the way they load it up with oil. This ratcheting feature has, it's a very thin switch, and it's flush against the head. So you need some small fingers or some nails to turn it back and forth. It also has a lock feature, as I mentioned earlier, so you could just turn it by itself or leave it in the lock position so it doesn't automatically turn on. And the light is ridiculously bright. It also has a fuel gauge that tells you the fuel. And if you don't want to use the power, you could just use it as a regular plain old ratchet to turn something. So if there's something that's very tight, you can loosen it without using the power. Just loosen it manually and then press the button to further loosen it more. And if you want to tighten something more than the 35 foot-pounds that it's capable of delivering, you could manually tighten it after tightening as much as you can. I will show videos as to how helpful this is compared to doing something manually. So you could do this manually and automatically. So here on top, I'm using the ratchet to tighten a screw that's hard to get in the engine bay. On the bottom, I am loosening it up manually. Now, the issue here is that you can accidentally drop the screw, as I have in the past, and it may get lost. So doing it manually takes time, takes two hands to hold a ratchet, and you may lose the screw. Using the Milwaukee 3/8 impact ratchet, you can do it automatically. Here's another video coming up on just tightening up this clamp, and you can just do it with one hand. And it moves so slowly, so you have so much control. That's what's amazing about it. That the turning of the head, it's very slow, so you have more control, and you can stop when you wanted to. Obviously, pressing harder on the lever will make it go faster. I can't say enough about this tool. The battery is also great. It takes in all of the M12 batteries. It comes with 1.5. It takes the 2 amp hours, the 4 amp hours, and even the 6 amp hours that the M12 comes in. And I think you can probably get more power out of it, out of a bigger capacity. It's perfect for a mechanic. It's perfect for using in the engine bay. It comes with a 5-year warranty on the Milwaukee from the date of receipt. Many service areas who can service this, and thanks for watching.